ingredients are cubed potatoes washed, sunflower oil for frying, paprika, sea salt, and onion slices. Cooking, you need a big pan, wooden spoon, meko. First, get the pan hot. Once it's hot, add the oil. Add the potatoes gently. After 2 minutes, stir it up. The entire cooking time is 10 minutes for it to be cooked all through inside. Now they are done. If the fork can go through, which you see it can, even the big ones, just 10 minutes, 8 to 10 minutes, you can check. It's done, so I'm going to reduce the oil that is in it, because now I'm going to fry. Be careful here. Yeah, just like that. So that the oil is very little, basically. Now, can you see? It's barely there, barely. Now you add the onions that are in slices and a pinch of sea salt. Mix around. Now we're just gonna cook it till the onions are translucent or cooked through. It is going to add flavor to the meal. I'm going to add paprika right now, just to add some flavor. The onions are now done, so you just let it get crispy a bit, like that. And my lunch is ready. This is just potato onion fry with paprika. Simple, easy, done. Time to serve. Meal is done. Time to taste it. We get an onion. I love onions. You can skip the onions if you don't like them, but I love them. So for my lunch today, I'm having onions fried with potato cubes in a bit of oil. It's just a very simple lunch full of carbohydrates. Carbohydrates is energy. Don't be scared of carbohydrates. So for lunch today, as I've shown you, it's potato fry with onions. Very simple and easy.